What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. I'm going to tell you guys how to make turkey tail tea. Now, I'm not going to tell you anything about how to identify turkey tail or anything like that. I'm just going to show you strictly how to make it. So let's get to it. First off, you're going to need to start with some turkey tail mushrooms. And I'm not going to tell you how to identify that or anything. I'll do another video on that. But you're going to need to take those and you're going to need to stick them in the grinder, the coffee grinder. You're going to need to stick them in the coffee grinder or whatever. You can do it a little better than this. It really doesn't matter too much though, just, get it ground up. So you're going to want to start with cold water. Do not start with hot water. You want to bring the turkey tail to a boil from cold water. About that much water in a little pot. You're going to take the turkey tail and you're just going to dump it straight in that cold water like that. And then you're going to put it on high heat until it boils. You're going to want to get that sucker boiling. And then once it starts to get to a steady boil, you want to turn the heat down. But we'll get to that in a second. So now that you've got it to a heavy boil, you're going to want to turn it down to low and bring it to a simmer for an hour. So set your timer for 1 hour. Oops. And start. Alright, so our hour timer is off. And we're going to turn our heat off now. And we're going to go to the French press is what I like to use. Personally, I like to use the French press. You can use whatever method of filtration you want to do, but this is what I do. Okay, so the turkey tail tea is done. We're going to get us a glass of this. So I heard there's a lot of benefits. You can Google them yourself. The turkey tail mushroom is supposed to fight cancer in some cases. It's very good for your immune system. It's good for gut health. It has a lot of other qualities to it also. You can look them up on Google if you want to. Let me try this out now. Well, it has a really good smell. It's a good taste. It's a really good taste. It's kind of earthy. You can definitely taste the mushroom in it. I mean, it might not be for you. You might want to mix it with some other kind of, hibiscus or cranberries or something, in a tea bag or whatever you do, or however you want to make your own mixture to this. But I like it the way it is, but you might prefer it a different way. Yeah, it definitely has a good smell. And I like the taste personally. Like I said, I mean, it's not for everybody though. All right, guys. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the little other bell down there in the corner, and get notifications of every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a good night.